How to deposit a check with Comerica Online Banking. Hi everyone, today I'll walk you through how to deposit checks with the Comerica Mobile Banking app. First, open up your Comerica Mobile Banking app and log in with your user ID and password. On the home screen, you'll find the option called Deposit Checks. Now just go ahead and tap on the deposit icon, then select New Deposits. After that, you're going to have to select an account to deposit your check to and the amount. You're going to have to sign the back of your check and write for mobile deposit at Comerica Bank only below your signature. Or if available, you can check the box on the back of your check that reads check here if mobile deposit. Then you can just go ahead and enter the check amount, review your details, and hit submit. Verify your deposit, click submit, and you'll receive a confirmation that your check has been deposited. And after you have done that, just snap the picture of both sides and endorse your check with your smartphone or iPad. And finally, hold on to the physical check for a few days until it clears. Then you can safely discard it. And that's it. Depositing checks with Comerica Bank Online is quick and safe, as it saves you a trip to the branch. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.